Hey, this is Niranjan here, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can edit and customize the videos that you've got as a part of your purchase. Okay, and we are going to make some subtle changes which will create these videos in a unique manner and will have the business information of your client on the video, so that there is enough call to action to encourage viewers to connect with the business and possibly buy their services. Okay, and just to let you know, I'm editing this using PowerPoint because that is the most that's the most available software to many people, even non-video creators. If you're using any type of a video editor, it is going to be much easier for you to do what I'm going to show you in PowerPoint. Okay, but for the sake of this demonstration, I will be sticking around with PowerPoint. The other thing is, I have observed that the video pane that I have does not cover the entire screen that I have in place. So what I'll try to do is cover as much as possible and move the screen around to show you when I'm working on stuff. Okay. So now let's start with the home section here. We'll start with the insert. The first thing is I've opened a slide. Okay, it's a vacant slide. There's nothing in it. What I'll do is I'll insert the video first. Okay, I'll import the video that I've got. All right. Let's say for the carpet cleaner. So once you've imported it, it's here. It'll come into this particular section. If you play it here, you'll see that the video actually plays up. Right? So let's take it back. And this is what we have. Okay. And once you when you've selected it, okay, when you've selected it, let me just go here. Yeah, so this is the animation pane. All right, in the animation pane, what you see is this carpet cleaner has been imported. Okay, now this carpet cleaner, if you go here and right click on that, it's currently on start on click, but what we want to do is start with previous. Okay, so this is to be set to start with previous. The next thing that you need to do is insert a text option. Okay, so let's go for a text box and let's write the text here. So let's say sample. All right, now what we need to do is move this right. So now that sample is there, let's go to animations and let's say appear. So the moment you do that, you will see that text box is coming here. Okay, now what we need to do this is start with previous, the same thing that we did with carpet cleaning. Okay, video. Now once you have done that, what we need to do is set this time. Okay, set this time for text box. It has to be set for the exact time that the video ends in. Okay, so if you go to the video and see where it ends, it's roughly about 37:32. Okay, 37:32 is what we see here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is edit this to reflect 37:32. Remember, this is to be done when text box is clicked. Okay, click on text box and then do this 37:32. All right, so once you've done that, the video is good to go. All right, so basically you have imported and this is ready to be saved as a video file from PowerPoint, and it will show up exactly the way we kind of saw in the demo video. Okay, now the thing is, whatever we are doing here, we are basically preparing the template for customization. Okay, now we don't want this text, right? We don't want this text. So what we'll do is click on this and then click on the top arrow pointing top on your keyboard to move this out of the panel, so that way it is not visible. So the only purpose of having this is to give a particular time to the video to play, for the video to play. Okay, so now that it is done, let us now go ahead and make the changes that we need. What we need is, we need, say, a call to action. So what we'll do here is write call us now and then probably a number, say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Now this number will show up on the video and I can place it here. Now this could be placed here, anywhere else actually. And in fact, you could use the same thing. Instead of a text, you could use a logo image here to do whatever changes you like. Okay, I'm going to show you how this is going to work out. So if I have to say make it bold, all right, I can change the font, I can make it bold, I can just play around with the font as is. I can give it a certain color. All right, let's say I want to make it red so that it's distinct. Okay, now that we have sorted this out, what we are going to do is go ahead and start rendering this. Okay, so okay, So we'll go ahead and start rendering this. Now we are ready to render this into an MP4 file. So save as, go to save as. Now this is where it is important, all right? Click on the folder that you want to work on, and let's say I name this as first, first demo. Okay, so what we're gonna do is write first demo and then go to mpeg4 video. All right, select this option because this is what will convert it into a mp4 file. Okay, and then you save it. It will continue saving. Now I'm just changing the screen so that I can show you the progress bar. Okay, if you see the screen here, creating video first demo.mp4, this is where PowerPoint is taking all the information that you have here and it's compiling that into a single video. Okay, and that part that can take a little bit of time, anywhere between a couple of minutes to maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So that really depends on the power of your system and the size of your files, the size of the video that you have used, and things like that. So once this is done, we will be able to see the video with all this content, okay, with call us now and things like that. As I said, it is not limited to this. Okay, you can use it to update logo here. You can use this white space here. Since this is a whiteboard video, you have a lot of white space that you can actually put to use and make it attractive. So instead of waiting for a few minutes, what I'll do is I'll pause this video and then come back to it as soon as the video is done and show you the rest of it. Okay, so welcome back, and as you can see in this video, the progress bar has disappeared. That basically means what has happened now is we've got the video rendered, and so we'll just head over to the desktop to have a look at the video and see how it plays. Okay, now if you remember, we named it as first demo, so let me open this for you. As you can see, this number shows up here. Like, this could have shown up here. It could be a image, it could be a logo branding, it can be anything. Just because there's a lot of white space, you really have a lot of flexibility of playing around with the positioning of your call to action. Okay, so this is going to stay through the video and you will be able to customize the videos according to your requirements. Okay, right, so struggling with tough staying that's about it for this video. What I'll do is I'll pause this video here and come back to you with another one wherein we'll be adding a end card or one end screen to this entire video and kind of elongate it a bit with more options, with an empty screen, so that you can put in more options for the call to action message over there. Okay, so I really hope you got value from this video and you get some ideas to creatively use the space available in this video frame or video screen to kind of uh, put the message from your client to their potential customers. All right, thank you so much for checking this out. I really appreciate your time today. I will be coming back to you with yet another video on customizing these videos. Thank you.